Hey there, my favorite real estate agent. It's Scott Smith, and I'm on the way to your inspection now. Whether we've worked with each other 1,000 times or this is our first time working with each other, I just wanted to say thank you and just a little bit about me. Again, my name is Scott Smith. I'm from Chattanooga, Tennessee, born and raised. I enjoy playing golf whenever possible and spending time with my 3 dogs. Thanks again for your referral. Look forward to seeing you soon. Have a good one.